Hello and good morning, everybody. You're with Martin Panif, Chief Account Executive and Trading Analyst, GDMFX. Welcome to today's European Session Market Outlooks. As usual, starting with the North American markets. Bad news yesterday for the dollar, especially for the US dollar, that is. As far as the jobless claims and the properties markets reports goes. Therefore, also the Dixie index went down from 99.60 to 97.60. Severe decline there. The Dow and the Nasdaq were a bit confused of what is happening. Therefore, they started sideways trend. We have a lot of inflation data pouring in from the daily agenda for the US and the Canadian dollar. Yesterday, the pair did 100 pips down, by the way. Moving ahead to the European markets, the euro has third consecutive days of gains yesterday over its main rivals. We already saw the current account mix data and the well-anticipated CPI reports, which came as expected. Mr. Mario Draghi will have a speech later on today, and also the International Monetary Fund meets as well today. The UK markets, the cable went 10 points up yesterday, 16 points range, going sideways pretty much early this morning. Versus the yen, again, 100 pips up yesterday, 140 range. Versus the Aussie, 150 pips down yesterday, 220 range, used to be going sideways this morning. The UK home price inflation slowed to the least in more than a year last month, as uncertainty surrounding next month's election dampened the activity. With the general election tightening its tempo every week up until May the 7th, cautious buyers are holding back to wait and see which way the markets will go. From technical perspective, sterling managed to confirm above the previous high with indicators signaling further upside. The climate count change came lower than previous. The ILO unemployment rate came as predicted today, and the average earnings showed some positiveness already today. So we would remain cautious, and then again we'll wait and see what exactly happens in the afternoon session. Commodities. Gold had a range of $15, trading at 1,200 now. We would remain rather neutral in the yellow metal trade for today until we see the U.S. economic reports. Silver also had a nice range yesterday, 38 cents, 16.30 now. Moving along to the WTI crude oil, $2.30 range yesterday, 56.13 now. We will still remain rather bullish in the short run. Natural gas is trading at $2.62 at the moment. Yesterday the range was 14 cents. That was all from me from today. Thank you very much for your attention. Cheers. Bye-bye.